EMOplay!
In this EMOface game, you and your play therapist each have one card and one dice. Take turns rolling the dice. Act out that emotion using just your facial expression and body movement. The other player guesses what emotion you're showing. Remember, feelings are sometimes tricky. Let's play and connect. No judgment, please. If stuck, say emo hints for a bit of help. No rush guessing. When you are ready, let's reveal the answer. Have fun exploring feelings together.